Hello everybody, I'm going to do a little bit more in-depth explanation of automating Antares Harmony Engine. So what I have here is the original vocal track on top. Let me hide this one. This is just make that inactive. That's just a backup track. Alright, so you just see the normal waveform. I'll play it without the Harmony Engine applied and unbypass it so you can hear the difference. So this is bypassed. Play it. Let's loop this. There we go.
Just one night in this club can just make you crazy, 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 crazy.
You can hear it's very monotone. One key. I'm not a singer, but I know that's monotone as hell. But let's hear it.
Just one night in this club can just make you crazy, 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 crazy. All your money just
Notice as the lines are changing, so is the name over here. These are all your different kind of chord presets. I apologize, my phone. These are all different chord presets. So there's a few ways you can do this. You can, well, first you have to go into inserts, find pitch shift, and apply your add your Harmony Engine. Then under auto, this is your automation little folder. You click there. You'd find chord degree. You click on that and you say add. Since I already have it there, it's not gonna add it anymore. You say okay. I've already done that though. And now there would really be no change in what you'd visually see right here, except if you go under waveform, scroll down to the bottom. Now you have this Harmony Engine stereo track. This is where your automation is now. So you switch it to chord degree. And you can track this by arming it to record. The way I have it set up right now, I can't arm it. I'll get this little message, but you'd arm it to record, set that to record, and you'd switch from read mode to either write or touch / latch or latch mode. Either one of those should work. I haven't done this in a while, so I apologize if I got that all wrong. But you'd press record. And just let's pretend this is a flat line. Let's just delete that. That's how it would look. You'd switch between the different presets right here as it's playing. So I can do that right now, so I'll give you an idea of what it sounds like. So let's pretend it's recording.
Just one night in this club can just make you crazy, 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 crazy. All your money just trying to impress these ladies.
Yeah, it's not that great of a job, but you get the idea. So after you have all your automation written, you can go in with your hand tool, zoom in a little bit more, and fine tune it. Either in slip mode or grid mode. I'd use slip mode so you can really fine tune the words you want to change there. But that's one way of doing it. I went in manually and did it. I didn't do the automation. So with this selected, I did automation, I just didn't do it on the fly while recording like that. I went in with the hand tool after I found the presets I wanted, and I just simply drew in the parts that I wanted to automate. So notice the name's changing to root, to fourth, to sixth, seventh. So you can manually do it that way. It's a little bit more time consuming, but I like the control I had over it. Since I kind of tinkered with this and figured out which one sounded right. But yeah, it's a pretty cool feature there. I haven't had an opportunity to use it like on guitars or anything like that yet, but you can use it on various things, I'd imagine, create crazy effects and stuff. But if you don't have a lot of backing vocals, this will work on the fly. So like create a double, maybe send this on like a parallel, almost like parallel compression, how you'd have your Harmony Engine track and the regular track. But this is just a backing vocal. It's not a different harmony. But I'll play that with it so you can hear it all together. Okay. Unmute it.
Love can just make you crazy, 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 crazy. All your money just trying to impress these ladies, 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 ladies.
And there's a lot more presets you can obviously automate. The delay, the pitch amount. We have, I think there's a, yeah, there you go, vibrato control right here, panning, each volume of each voice. You know, maybe you don't want all these voices on one particular part, you can automate it to mute it. All these are all, every button on here you can automate, so it's really gives you a lot of control. So anybody have any questions, feel free to hit me up. Hopefully I explained it a little bit more clearly. I know the last one I had, the audio was really bad, so hopefully this helps a couple people understand this a little bit more. So just to reiterate, subscribe for one, and I'll play this bypassed and with it enabled. So this is bypassed.
Just one night in this club can just make you crazy, 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 crazy. On your money,
wonderful tool. All right, thank you for your time, and be sure to check out the rest of my videos, and keep an eye out for more music. If you're interested, you can check out frozenmusic.bandcamp.com.